In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get Gossip Harbor Mod menu, completely free, and it's working on both iOS and Android. As you can see on your screen, this will give you all the hacks in the game, as well as unlimited gems, coins, and energy for both iOS and Android. I have a bunch of options right here, such as full game unlocked, unlimited gems, coins, and energy, all region unlocked, no watermark, and much more. First of all, you need to make sure that your Gossip Harbor game is updated to the latest version. To check that, simply go to the App Store and see if there is any update available for the game. If not, then you're good to go. The next thing you need to do is to simply head over to the pinned comments down below. There, I explain exactly where you can get Gossip Harbor Plus Plus. So, just head over to the pinned comments, leave a like if this method worked for you at the end, and that's it. See you all in the next video. Bye-bye.